Switch 2 midnight release. Me and him have been here since 4:30 in the morning today.
Millions of gamers across the country waited in line overnight to get their hands on that new Nintendo Switch 2. We spoke to people right in Eastgate who say they had a little extra motivation to wait in line for the new one.
One of our friends is in Seattle right now and he can't be here, so he paid him $125 to sit out here since 4 a.m. to get it for him because you can only buy one per person. So, yeah. But I'm really excited for the new Mario Kart game. It's the first time I got a new Mario Kart game since 2014. I was 7 years old when the last one came out, and I'm 18 now, so pretty significant. It's one of the greatest. Yeah, it's one of the greatest game franchises ever, in my opinion.
Dude, I was one of them. When my kids were young, I would
wait out,
camp out all night at GameStop for whatever it was.
Man.
Yep. I can relate to all you people, man. That's work right there. If you weren't able to get your hands on the new Switch, check your local stores like Best Buy and GameStop to see if they have any in stock. I mean, that's obvious, but you know, they don't put a lot out because they want you to wait.
Correct. And because of crazy frenzy, right?
Oh, yeah.
If I were you, I would have told the kids, like, Santa failed you.
You were not good enough. Be better, kids.
You know what I mean? A pair of local moms are